So this is over at Sheila Spencer's backyard. We're going to give her two bids. The first bid, actually this is going to be the second bid. The second bid is this area right here, so I'll talk about that first. She's got these planters in here that they're beginning to fall apart, and she wants to know what it would cost to take these all out and just to do this whole area. With bluestone. So we're going to give her a bid to manually dig out all of this area here, bring in crushed rock, and lay it with bluestone. So the point of access is here. I mean, it's a little bit of a haul to get up this. So just be aware that this is a manual job. Do they have walls in the front, or can we? Okay, good, they don't have any walls. We'll just be able to wheel it right up and through here, in and out. So the dig out, we have to do quite a bit of digging just to get it down to grade before we even start digging down. So whatever time that we would have taken to, whatever we would have charged to dig it out normally manually, double it, because that's about how much extra that there is in here. So the size of this patio area is 1, 2, 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and a half. 8 by 12 and a half is the area in here that we have to fill in. So yeah, like I said, it's kind of a nuisance to try and to dig all this mounding stuff out. So yeah, so but the first part of the bid is to re-level stones in here and to re-trap rock it. So there are places in here that have sunk. She just wants it spruced up, as she says. There are quite a few places that could use a little TLC. It's not a lot, but it's definitely there. So I'll point out a few places, like, we've got some diving down here at the side and on the corner. You can see as you look at this, well, maybe you can't see, but it's kind of looking like it's kind of tilting this way. We've got pieces that are, dipping into the house, pieces that have spread out a little bit more than they should have, just dipping a little bit. Like in here, there's a few stones that could just be adjusted a little bit to get it looking nice and level again. And all through here, once again, like these couple stones right here that have kind of pushed away. Let's see what else. This is okay. The pieces like along this strip right here are kind of diving down to the left over here. Let's see. The patio proper through here looks pretty decent. A couple stones in here that have just settled. There's this landing over here that's kind of, you can see how the joints have gotten big, which means that the stones have separated. Get those pushed together. In here where the downspout is, you can see how that sank. And then we've got the walkway over here. This is the end of the walkway right here, but the walkway actually looks pretty decent. Maybe a few stones in here. I would say, including having to retrap this whole thing, it's probably about a day's worth of work. Yeah, I would say that that's pretty accurate. So we'll bid a day's worth of work for here, what, $850 or something, whatever our minimum is. Yeah. Well, actually, we should probably charge around $1,000 to re-level off everything. $1,000 seems, or in that range. I'll let you decide. But yeah, and we're gonna retrap it. She asked once again about polymeric sand, and I said polymeric sand is not necessarily the best option because we'd have to have the whole thing pitched at a constant. Otherwise, you're gonna get pooling, all that good stuff. So she's fine with that. So retrap the whole thing and get it looking back to square one.